Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Putusari Suciningsi. My student's registration number is 19120211144. So today, I would like to present my research on the topic, the investigation of EFL students' online learning satisfaction during COVID-19 pandemic at SMA Negeri 4 Singaraja. There are four table of contents. For the first is background of the study. The second is gap in the previous study. The third is research question. And the last one is chapter 2, literature review. For the first is background of the study. In the 21st century of learning that should be mastered by everyone. According to Santosa 2017, the use of technology is an important role in every human life in the 21st century of learning. It is the technology is the implementation, also the implementation of ICT, which information and communication technology is the implementation of technology that refers to the diverse collection of technological tools and researchers used to communicate. It is according to Sarkar 2012. ICT highly can increase some aspects of human life. One of them in the education aspect. In the education aspect, especially in the learning process, technology can be used the learning process long distance due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So because this COVID-19 pandemic has impact all sectors. One of them being the education sector. In the education sector, the learning process has changed, become online learning, where the learning process is using technology. From those, technology is the implementation of information and communication technology or ICT that can impact also with the online learning to spread out the COVID-19 pandemic. So online learning is a learning process carried out by teachers and students during the COVID-19 pandemic. According to Karliner 2004, online learning leads to the learning process that is carried out by using technology. So the previous learning process before COVID-19 pandemic, as we know, is the face-to-face become social distancing with each other. The impact of this pandemic in the education sector, which the learning process has changed, become online learning, where the learning process is using technology. So to spread because to spread out the COVID-19, the learning process, the online learning, this is conducted where the teacher should be a facilitator which facilitates students to develop and continue to apply the student-centered approach. However, at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, students feel anxious and depressed about online learning, according to Dewantari et al. 2021. Then, after almost 2 years of conducting online learning, measuring students' satisfaction with online learning is an interesting thing to investigate, such as student satisfaction with online learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. Next, before that, there are 7 previous studies related to this research that discuss about student satisfaction with online learning. For the first is, according to Cambria and Taridala 2021, study shows that student satisfaction with online learning at SMA N1 Solo North Konawe Regency is positive on the material delivery techniques by teacher during during online learning. I mean, the second is according to Redana et al. 2019, the study about student satisfaction index chemistry learning process at SMA N4 Singaraja, which investigate about the facilitation and teacher factors that conducted students are highly satisfied with online learning. The third is the study from Cakrawati 2017 focuses on the students' perception of the use of online learning platforms such as Edmodo and Kuiper as technology factors in the in the English as a foreign language EFL classroom. The fourth is students in the SMA N1 Samigaluh have a perception is positive towards of online learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. It is according to Sepiono et al. 2021. Next is the 5. According to Olbat et al. 2022, the result of the study showed that students in the SMA N1 SOE have good experience when they implement online learning. The sixth is, according to Simanjuntak 2021, study showed that most of EFL students in the grade 11 of SMA N4 Pematang Siantar are motivated to use YouTube as infrastructure, or it is included in technology factors in online learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. And the last one is, according to Paramita and Jahjadi 2021, conducted that the experience of students with the online learning process in the teacher factors can deliver the lesson well. The lesson well while online learning at SMA Karisma. So from those 7 previous studies, there is no from the investigation of students' satisfactions of online learning with during the COVID-19 pandemic at Bali, especially. So, investigation of student satisfaction with online learning during COVID-19 pandemic at SMA N4 Singaraja. Next is research questions. For the first is, how is the online learning satisfaction for EFL senior high school students in 11th grade in SMA Negeri 4 Singaraja? The second is, what are the influence factors of the online learning satisfaction of EFL senior high school students in 11th grade in SMA N4 Singaraja? And the purpose of the research is to investigate online learning satisfaction for EFL senior high school students in 11th grade in SMA N4 Negeri 4 Singaraja. And the last one is to delve into the influence factors of online learning satisfaction for in EFL senior high school students on 11th grade in SMA Negeri 4 Singaraja. And we move to the chapter 2, literature review. So the definition of online learning. So online learning as educational service refers to the use of technology as infrastructures such as learning applications or platforms like Google Classroom, Schoology, Zoom, Google Meet, Quizzes, Kahoot, or etc. Become the important things for a smooth learning process wherein EFL students can interact with each other by using those learning applications. So according to Karliner 2004, online learning is a learning process that is carried out by the using technology. It refers to when using internet-based technology features, depending on the availability of information technology. And according to Said et al. 2021, online learning becomes an alternative learning method by implementing information and communication technology (ICT), such as computers, laptop, tablets, and mobile phones, which an asynchronous and synchronous internet environment. The next is the definition of student satisfaction. So the definition of student satisfaction, according to Werasinghe et al. 2017, student satisfaction refers to students' attitude in the short terms toward evaluating students' educational experiences, service, and facilities. So it refers to the level of students' experience and perceived performance about educational service. When students participate and perform, the teacher gives rewards is crucial to increase student satisfaction even in online learning. It is according to Williams and Williams 2011. Besides, the facilities are like technology by using platforms as learning medium also affect the students' online learning. Student satisfaction in online learning, I mean, as when the teacher only uses WhatsApp groups by only sending assignments and not giving quizzes, interact quizzes, interactive or others, they will quickly get bored when the learning process. The use of previous tools is also impact of the student satisfaction to give positive effect on online learning. Next, according to Rios et al. 2018, add that student satisfaction is based on students' perception of the learning experience that can be improved when learning begins, and it can be a reference to the appropriate platforms for interaction and collaboration when teachers and students. So when teachers and students, they can use appropriate platforms for interaction and collaboration, like doing discussions while the learning process. So the teacher must be able to choose suitable platforms that suits the condition of students directly, so that students can feel comfortable when carry out online learning. So it can be also increase student satisfaction with online learning. The next is there are several key factors contributing to student satisfaction. It is according to Borliger and Martindale 2004. Namely, for the first is instructor issues, communication, technology, cost management, course website, interactivity, and general information. So these factors are crucial to measuring which factor students are motivated, are satisfied and with or not satisfied with online learning. Next is online learning in EFL context. So in EFL context, also students conduct the learning process by online learning. So teachers and students do the online learning process over a long distance. It is can be conduct with online learning. It makes English as a foreign language EFL students feel struggling in learning process because they learn independently. I mean, without interacting directly with each other, whether in the discussion, asking about the material, giving comments, or etc. Just they can increase their critical thinking to understand the material more deeply. So the implementation of online learning in the EFL context makes the teacher and students can interact with each other over a long distance with flexible time and place by using technology as the infrastructure in the 21st century of learning. Well, that's all about my research on the chapter 1, introduction, and chapter 2, literature review on the theoretical review. Thank you and have a nice day.